Hello everyone, in this video I will review Vantage Broker. Vantage is a global online broker offering access to Forex, CFDs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. It provides various account types including standard STP, Raw ECN, and Pro ECN, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. The platform supports popular trading tools like MetaTrader 4 MT4, MetaTrader 5 MT5, and its own mobile app, ensuring flexibility across devices. Vantage is regulated by Tier 1 authorities such as the Australian Securities and Investment Commission and the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, offering a level of security and trustworthiness. The broker is known for its competitive spreads, with ECN accounts offering spreads starting from 0.0 pips and commissions as low as $3 per lot. For beginners, Vantage offers a low minimum deposit requirement of $50, making it accessible for those starting their trading journey. The broker also provides unlimited demo account, allowing users to practice without financial risk. Customer support is available 24/6 through live chat, email, and phone, with a reputation for responsiveness and helpfulness. Additionally, Vantage offers educational resources, including webinars and trading guides to assist traders in improving their skills. While Vantage offers a range of features, some users have reported occasional delays in withdrawal processing times. Trades needs to review the broker's terms and conditions to understand any potential fees or limitations. Overall, Vantage is considered a reliable and user-friendly broker suitable for traders of all levels, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and resources to support trading activities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.